Welcome to episode 5 of ComfyUI tutorial series. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate images using Flux Krea. As you can see in the video, I have generated an image of a cute little girl. It is much more realistic. So with Flux Krea, you can create images more realistic than the other previous model. And I have also added an upscaler. So after upscaling, you can see it has more detail in it. So I am going to show you how to generate images like this, and I'm going to also give you the workflow. So let's get started. So before starting, let's talk about what is Flux Krea-dev. So it is a best open source Flux model developed by Black Forest Labs in collaboration with Krea. Model is focused on unique aesthetic style and natural details, avoiding AI look, providing exceptional realism and image quality. As you can see, it looks much more realistic. I will also compare Flux Krea with Flux Context, and we will look why Flux Krea is better than Flux Context, though Flux Context has its own unique uses, as I have shown in the episode 3. So Flux One Krea-dev is an advanced text to image generation model in collaboration between Black Forest Lab and Krea. This is currently the best open source Flux model specially designed for text to image generation. Its main model features is its unique aesthetic style, its natural details and exceptional realism with full compatible architecture, which focuses on generating images with unique aesthetic, avoiding common AI look, which we saw in the other models. It also provides outstanding realism and image quality, and it is fully compatible architecture design with Flux One Dev. I will upload the workflow in the Discord channel, so you can just join my Discord channel, and in the workflow section you can download the workflow. So just go to the description and click on the Discord link to join my Discord channel. So in earlier version of ComfyUI, we used to have the ComfyUI installed through Pinocchio. So I have not doing that now. I have directly installed the Pinocchio through Windows installer. If you want to install the ComfyUI, to download the ComfyUI Windows version, just type the ComfyUI Windows installer and click on download for Windows, and from here you can download the installer and install on your computer. So after installation, or cut and paste the checkpoints and LoRa which you have already installed from the Pinocchio version to the ComfyUI installer in the document ComfyUI, and put the models in the model, put the checkpoints in the checkpoints, LoRa in the LoRa, unit and diffusion model on the respective folders, uninstall the Pinocchio, and also you can also copy paste the custom nodes. Now let's check the workflow. So this is the same workflow as the Flux. Not much has changed in the workflow. You can download it from my Discord channel. Just go to the link in the description, join the Discord channel, download the workflow, and you can start using that. So before generating image, you need the models to generate the image. So I am going to use the GGUF model, which is Q8 and Q6. So to install these models, you have to go to the huggingface.com. I have 12 GB of VRAM, so I am using Q6 and Q8 models. You also need clip encoder. So if you are using GGUF Q6 model, install the Q6 encoder, or if you are using Q8, install the Q8 text encoder. And to upscale our image, we have to install this one. I will put all the links in the description and also add in the Discord channel, so you don't have to search around. And you are also going to need the VAE. So I will put this link also in the description, so you can download it from here. And you have to also install the custom nodes. The first custom node is rgthree-comfy node. The second node you will need is the ComfyUI-GGUF node, and the third custom node you will need is the ComfyUI-Easy-Use node. Now I have selected the Flux Krea Q8 model text encoder Q8. I have kept the width and height to 1024 by 1024, and my seed I have kept it fixed 2025. The steps is 20. CFG I have kept is 1, and the sampler name is Euler, and scheduler is simple. So I have already generated the image before recording. While recording and generating the image at the same time, my VRAM gets ton of load. So that's why I have already generated the image using these prompts, and I am going to compare it with the Flux Krea and Flux Context, and let's see what we get. Prompt which I used to generate the first image is this prompt. So let's check out the image. On my left side is the image which is generated by Flux Krea, and on my right side is the image which is generated by Flux Context. So you can see the difference. This look much more realistic it has been both used Flux Q6 model for Flux context and Flux Krea both. So as you can see, it look very much realistic and this is look like a little bit cartoonish, but both images are being generated by the same prompt with same seed and all the settings are the same. Now let's compare another image. My second prompt is this. I'm going to generate a natural scenery. So on my left side is the Flux Krea and on the right side is the Flux context. You can see both prompts are same and the seeds and everything are same, but the results are very different. With Flux Krea we can generate more realistic and better images. I have given the same prompt to get a natural image. It looks like a painting. This looks like a much more realistic. So you can use Flux Krea to create stunning realistic images. Let's look at another example. So next image is generated using this prompt. Let's check out the images. On the right side is the Flux context image, but it does not look much realistic than this one. The Flux Krea images details are very sharp and very realistic. Now I have used this prompt to image a realistic portrait of a young Spanish girl in early 20s, and now let's see the result. So as you can see, on my left side is the output of the Flux Krea and on my right side is the output of the Flux context. Flux Krea beats Flux context in the realism. So if you want to generate any type of realistic images like food, anything, you can use Flux Krea and it will never let you down. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned anything from my video, and see you in the next video.